This is Nokia X10, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So, as we all know, unfortunately you cannot get Fortnite directly from the Google Play Store, so the first step that you want to take is to, first and foremost, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, then open any search engine that you'd like. After that, type in Fortnite APK. Among the search results, look for the epicgames.com official website. Go for it, then wait until the web page gets loaded. Tap on the download the app from Epic Games link, then confirm that you would like to download the file anyway, even though it might, harm your device, which it will not. Then open the file. Prior to installing the Epic Games launcher, we gotta allow any browser that we use, in my case it's Google Chrome, to install unknown apps or allow to install apps from unknown sources. So you can do that by going for the settings, switching on the toggle, and that will be it. Next, let's confirm the installation. After that, we can simply launch the Epic Games application. Then tap on a black Get button located right in front of a Fortnite over here. And then click on a yellow install button, which will, first of all, download the Fortnite necessary files for the Fortnite, so we'll simply wait. So as you can see, the Fortnite files have been successfully downloaded. Now we gotta do the same for the Epic Games launcher that we did for the Google Chrome in my case, which is to allow it to install unknown apps. So everything just the same. Turn on the switch and confirm the final Fortnite installation. Now you can launch the game, and all that separates you from being able to actually play it is the process of it, getting all the updates and resources straight. So wait until this yellow line gets completed. Once the Fortnite gets properly updated, and that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.